Welcome to NACS 2022. I'm Chris Myers with ANGI Energy Systems. I'm here to show the CNG Encore that we have with ANGI and Gilbarco. A couple of highlights with this unit are we have the full port ball valves in the base of the unit that control the hydraulics of the system. We're one of the only in the industry that offer this option. Additionally, with the Encore system, it's going to be very familiar to the interface that traditional liquid petroleum pumps utilize. And with the CNG, the refueling is a little bit different. We've got a proven refueling algorithm that we've utilized for over 30 years and continue to develop on. So with the Encore system, if you guys have any questions, feel free to visit our website or reach out to me directly. Happy to help answer any questions. Thanks for joining us.